Okay, today is the 1st of April. And no, it's not a 1st of April joke. But when I was doing the boat rebuild, I dodged my sounder cable quite often. It wasn't in the way, but for some reason I didn't see where the sander disc was going and cut through my cable, so now I've got to fix that. So I cut out the damaged part first to see what was going on, and the black and blue cables were wrapped in this foil, and as you can see the reflective sides on the outside, and then between that they got this piece. And then wrapped in another bit of foil is this, the white one. So my attempt is to resolder it. Not sure if it's going to work, but what I was told, as you can see there, there's the middle part, which is that. Now in your foils here, there should be the black and white, or blue and red, or quite possibly the white. There you go. I've got plenty of cable there, it's all wrapped up there, so I'm playing with this end more so than the other end. No one knows what it will work like until we hit the water. I'm pretty sure we can turn on the sounder, and the sounder will work in its default mode, I guess, but it won't sense things until it can read things. So we're going to strip these back. I'm going to strip the other side back, and we'll see how we go. I'll film again when I am about ready to solder. Here I've got the strippers, and yes, not the two-legged type, and these are small wires, really small wires. It's not even going to work in there, so this becomes pretty technical. So here's some old style wire strippers, and not sure how they work, but I think I'll just use the old style side cutters. And this takes a bit of delicate, bit of work. I'm pretty sure I did it on this last time. Practice on these old ones first.